Okay, welcome to ZeroPlus channel. Let's start learning Adobe Illustrator by micro learning. In this step, we want to create just new document and know about Adobe Illustrator workspace. Okay, let's start. Search in window Illustrator and run it. Okay, Illustrator started. Now we have a workspace here. New, we can new document, create new document, open, save document, recent file that we created. We can see here and by list view or thumbnail view. Okay, like this. And here we can change workspace switch to essential, layout, painting, tracing, and arrange panel by your work. If you want to design a web page or designing for a web, you can switch workspace panel arrangement to web or typography or painting. Okay, now new document, create new. Okay, we have some profile preset in here. Okay, mobile size. Okay, web, print, film and video, and art and illustration. And in this panel we have some preset details fields like weight, height, unit, orientation, artboard number, bleed, color mode, and more setting we can set here. Okay, we will explain about this field by project. Okay, in next video. Okay, now we want to create a art. Okay, and we want this size. Okay, select, set to unit to pixel size. Okay, artboard 1 and color mode to RGB color and create. Okay, now Adobe Illustrator artboard now ready, and we create new document. Okay, and workspace. We have a toolbar, okay, that we have tools in it. We have control panel, okay, here, menu bar, okay, and some panel, collapsed panel here that can active or deactive them, and workspace switcher here that can change workspace, okay, to painting, change to web, and change to essential gain. Okay, good luck.